Hey Jelly Beans, welcome back to the channel. If there's anyone that's new and you're dropping through, please go ahead on and hit that subscribe button. Always give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, tell a friend and family member to come on over to hang out with the BOGIE'S and share the video if you can. Alright guys, I wanted to come on to show you what I was cooking. And I haven't been on in a while, so this is what I got. This is baked chicken with onions, green peppers, and seasoning. I'm about to put this in the oven, though. And also, let me turn y'all this way. Over here is my fresh greens with my smoked meat in there. I gotta turn this back up some. They still haven't came yet and fixed this. They fixed the piece that go on the stove, but they haven't fixed the what you call. Anyway, yeah, these the fresh greens that I got from the farmer's market where me and Sugar went. So I got these down in here, and I'll let that cook. Wait a minute. Let me get some lumen full so I can put this in a what you call. These are some seasonings that I use. So how y'all been, Jelly Beans? I miss you guys. Hope everyone been fine. I've been doing well. Oh, let me put a little black pepper because I didn't put no black pepper. I didn't add no salt to this either. Just already had my other seasonings. Wait a minute. Alright, Jelly Beans, let me get this on. I usually really don't put no water in mine. So I'm just gonna put a tad bit because I don't have the longer covering lemon food that I wanted. I still gotta buy a roll of get down in there, tip. Guys, we're gonna have this, and I'm also going to be making some trying to get this as tight as I'm gonna get these pieces. Just go ahead and get this in the oven and get that started. Alright, that's how that's gonna go. I keep trying to figure out how to adjust this because if you turn this all down too low, it won't cook anything. And then when you have it turned up, it's like it start. But you know what? Instead of me fooling with that, let me just turn this back one on and let that be that. Instead of cook how I want it, and I ain't gotta keep worrying about adjusting this one. All right, Jelly Beans. Let me just hush this up. I gotta sit down. My back is hurting. I mean, really bad. My back's been bothering me so bad, guys. I ain't been wanting to do nothing. Nothing at all. I was up trying to move about today. Let me just use this small pan. And I could use this to make our little potatoes. What's that? Honey, you ain't even had this pan clean. You ain't clean this little pot off right. The outside still has stuff all over it. That's in the dish rack. The little pot, honey. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just... There's the only little pot in here. He act like he don't know what little pot I'm talking about. Alright. Let me get the Japanese potatoes. Honey ain't feeling, well, either it's this cold weather. This cold weather just kicked in, made my arthritis just flare up so bad. I swear, my knees hurting, everything. My back then started back aching me, but it's just, with this cold weather, it really just pushed everything up. Honey, arthritis been bothering him. Especially when yesterday, I had to rub him down with that pain relief cream that we got from Sugar, that she be ordering stuff for us out of her book. And I came across that a couple of days ago. I said, oh, I forgot about we had this. That Sugar got it. So that was on time, because that's that good pain relief cream. It do help subside it. You know, it don't take away the pain, but it subsides it. And yeah, I had to rub that on him yesterday, because he was in pain. So I had to put that on his knees. And his Honey got arthritis in his hips, y'all. I don't think I ever told y'all that. But yeah, he got arthritis in both sides of his hips, bad. And I rubbed that on him real good last night, and he was knocked out. So at least that helped him, you know, to be able to go to sleep. I had rubbed some on my knees, and he had rubbed some on my back for me. I couldn't sleep. I think my SI is trying to come back. At least that's what it feels like anyway. I ain't claiming it. I hope not. But yeah. Anyway, that's all that's been going on, guys. I miss you guys. I know I haven't really been uploading, putting anything out there. And comment down below, guys, and let me know what y'all cooked for them today. Potatoes on. Do this rice. And it's crazy because I know even though I'm just going through my jug, I'm still rinsing off this rice. I have to rinse off his rice. And this just going to be his rice on. And now I got to get ready to get started with his meat. So, y'all be seeing that. Oh. guys, let me get this started. I'm gonna ground up his meat, and while that ham getting warmed up, I'm just rinsing off my stuff for my meat grinder. I really love this meat grinder, guys. I'm telling you. I done made us homemade. I grinded up some beef and made us some homemade burgers. They were so good. And it's very easy to clean. I always just like to rinse it out real good first, and then, especially this part, and then I'll just wash it out. That's it, guys. Done with that. Oh, I forgot to turn this rice on right there. Anyway. And of course, I'm not adding anything to this because this is Doug food. We don't need no salt and stuff like that. These greens are smelling good. Alright, let me get ready, add some seasoning to my greens because I never added any seasoning to my greens. And I'm just going to add some seasoning. And no, that's not a lot. For anybody to say anything, it may look like it, but it's not. And I'm going to add a little salt because it's going to need it. And some black pepper. Probably have to still add in a little bit more seasoning. All depends I'm going to wait and do that. But for right now, that's enough. Did I put... Oh, I ain't even got my potatoes on. I just got them back there doing that. Just sitting there. This thing is really not doing it for me. The spoon. Not getting things flipped over like I want it. Alright. Look. Alright, guys. Whew. I need to turn this fan on high because it's hot. I'm hot. I got my potatoes on. And I got stinker butt rice on. I got the greens back there doing what they do. And this is pretty much done because this is chicken. It don't take long for chicken to get done. I do want to put it in here, but I'm going to let it cool down some first. Alright guys, and I'll be back. So that's how the meat is. I just turned this pot off, this frying pan off. So I'm going to let that cool down before I transfer it in this little thin plastic bowl. And I'll be back. I'm sorry, jelly beans. I'm trying to show y'all that the food is done. I don't have no light in here, but anyway, the food is done. We have the greens, the mashed potatoes, and the chicken. Bridget came over, so we eating dinner. Hi. It's all dark. We can't even see. They can't even see like that. And Stinker Butt, he already ate his food, his ground chicken breast and rice, so he's good. And I'm just sitting there watching TV. Alright guys, I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. Hey jelly beans. It's the next day, guys. I'm trying to look for me something to eat. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Richie ate one of these. She ate the, what was it, the bagel one. That was the, and ain't no more bagel ones in here. It's like onion bread. I'm looking at these breads. This is what I'm doing. This one like a cheese or something. I don't know. All I know is I do know I'm hungry. I do know that. It is saucious up in here. Honey just ate the rest of the leftover, what you call it? The rest of the leftover dinner from yesterday. Well, the chicken is still the greens and some mashed potatoes. But, I don't know what I'm going to eat. I know I'm hungry. Let's just close this up. I guess I'll just eat on some of this and get my Philadelphia cream cheese with these pretzels. So that's what I'm gonna eat on, guys. Yep. That's it. And that's all. Cause I don't feel like cooking nothing, and I don't want no noodles. I definitely don't want no noodles. I wish I had some if I would have had some what you call it, crackers, I could have ate, you know, my little Vienna sausage. But I ain't got that. Oh God. I need to make some bread. I definitely need to do that. I'm about to make me some tea in this cup. So let me just sit y'all down right quick. Let me move this out the way. Make me some tea. I do got some bottled water. I was drinking on some bottled water. I don't feel like making no pitcher of tea, so I'm about to make you some raspberry tea. Oh, I forgot I got this scoop thing in there. Put a little bit of sugar up in here. And let me let this rise for a minute. Put some ice. I'm just going to shake this up. Call it a day. Shake this up. I don't know what I'm eating for dinner today, but I do know I'm gonna take them greens, put them in a freezer bag, and I'm gonna put them in the freezer. Cause whatever I eat, I know I'm gonna make some bread tonight, and yeah, I'm gonna put in some bread tonight. I can't find the I would have went on and did some bread now, but I was looking for that. No, this ain't it. And I got my recipe book, guys. I still haven't written stuff down in here. That's what I need to do. Just write all my recipes down. I'll probably do that today. Let me take this out. Because that'll be something that I can sit and do later on. And just write down all my recipes and stuff in my recipe book. So I could just have this stuff, you know, on hand. And ain't got to be looking around for this and looking around for that. This is crazy. This is good. Alright, guys. I'm going to come back on later. I'm about to go. Oh, sorry. I'm going to come back on later. I'm about to go back downstairs. I just came up to find me something to eat. Yeah. So I'll see you guys back in a few. Alright, jelly beans. I know I said I was going to come back and make some bread. I still haven't made no bread, guys. I really don't feel like it. And I've been trying to push myself to make some bread. I told y'all I don't feel like doing anything. I don't know. Anyway, I made me some noodles and put some shrimps, and I just poured that on top of them. So that's what I'm eating for dinner. And Honey warming up stink about food that I made him yesterday. And I made Honey a little bit of shrimp too. So that's what's going on. And that's all we doing, guys. I just wanted to come back on and trying to move this chair out my way. I just wanted to come back on and you watching something out here, honey, or you gonna look at a movie? Alright. Did you warm it up?
Yeah.
Oh.
You just take it out the microwave?
Oh, this how stink about food turned out too, jelly beans. You know, it's dog food, so I didn't put no seasoning on it. But that's how his food turned out. Oh, here, put his food back in the freezer. I mean, the refrigerator. Honey. Alright, guys, I'm sorry, I'm twirling y'all all around. I don't mean to. I'm tired. I've been feeling drained. I've been feeling so drained. And I go to the doctor's tomorrow. So I go see my primary care doctor tomorrow. And I just feel like I ain't got no energy. So maybe I need some B12 or something. Because right now, I feel drained. That's how come I haven't even been uploading. Because I haven't been doing anything. So anyway, guys, I know it's kind of dark like it was last night. Me and Bridget was in here. I just wanted to go ahead and close this vlog out. Pray for me, guys. Pray to God give me some type of energy or something. I be drained. I don't be feeling like doing nothing. Then it's SI trying to come back. So I've really been trying to take it easy with moving around and not bending over. I don't want it to flare up. And that's just about it, guys. So keep me in your prayer. I always keep y'all in my prayers. That's why I always tell us to pray for one another. And yeah, guys. So thanks for watching, and don't forget, a kind gesture and a kind word goes a long way. All right, jelly beans. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.